Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super quick and easy recipe for you, green onion tofu salad. It's a delightful dish that can be prepared in an instant. Let's jump right in. To begin, take some tofu and place it in a prep bowl. Mince some fresh scallions and set aside. Now, grab a spoon and crush the tofu until it reaches a desirable consistency. Next, add in minced scallion, some salt, and a drizzle of fragrant sesame oil. Give everything a thorough stir, ensuring that all the ingredients are well combined. And there you have it! Your green onion tofu salad is now ready to be enjoyed. This salad is wonderfully refreshing and makes for a perfect light meal or side dish. Serve it immediately to savor the flavors at their best. I highly encourage you to give this recipe a try and share your thoughts with me. Your feedback is incredibly valuable. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.